Hey, is this thing on? Oh no! Arnie, look! The frozen Gabriella that my mom made me melted. Now, I know Gabriella melt, but why can't my body just stay frozen?
A really cold freezer freezes it up. Before you know it, you have a yummy body.
Take a seat. Rug time.
We're ready!
Everybody move your feet.
Oh, somewhere cold.
I think Gerald has the right idea.
Frozen inside the ice is going to be your snack today.
Hey, May! Sid, you're a really nice snack.
Do you have a joke?
Nope. Bye-bye.
Ice pop.
Sticking out your gap for the Rizzler. You're so skibbity. You're so Phantom Tax.